Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to check out another awesome and very amazing pre-sale which is known as MAXI DOGE. So before going further into the video, I am going to give you a small disclaimer that do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. So guys, here we are on the website of MAXI DOGE, and here you can check out website is really well designed. MAXI DOGE trades on 1000x leverage, no stop loss, feels the MAXI pump. Down here you can check out their pre-sale is now started. In the current phase you can get one MAXI is equal to $0.000259, and you can see this round will end in almost 2 days and 12 hours. So make sure you participate into this round, because in the next round the price will increase. So make sure you get it onto the cheaper prices. Down here you can check out, can you go full on MAXI DOGE? Of course you can check it out. This product looks looking really good because a green candle like a lightsaber pump and sweating leverages. Here you can check it out. The Darth Vader is here and he is holding a really big green candle. Down here you can check out week up sweat trade repeat. So that's their goal. Down here you can check out the utility of this amazing product. You can check out staking feature, MAXI contests, as well as partner events and much more. So the tokenomics of this product is what makes it really amazing. So you can check out 25% of the supply is for MAXI fund, 40% is for marketing, 15% is for developers of the product, 15% is for liquidity, and 5% is for staking of the product. Down here you can check out the roadmap of the product. Roadmap has been divided into stages. So stage 1 is all about wake up, Red Bull, and first 1000x leverage trade, code up, ask mom for marketing funds, as well as quick gym, sesh smart contract audits, and much more. In the phase 2 you can see chuck protein shake, short monster energy, and much more. Similarly you can check out the stage 3 as well as stage 4 of the roadmap. Everything is written onto the website. So method of buying is pretty simple. You just had to come here, connect, and then swap your tokens into the MAXI tokens. Down here you can check out all of the frequently asked questions, such as what is MAXI DOGE. So MAXI DOGE meme coin is the locked-in symbols of taken making out 1000x leverage, necking back Red Bull, shaky yet laser focused, and much more. Also you can check out the purpose of the token and much more. So down here you can check out their X handle as well as the Twitter handle is mentioned. Their white paper as well as the details are shown here. So let's come to the staking feature, and here you can check out their staking phase. So you can get up to 135% APY from this token. So the APY is looking really good, so make sure you check it out as well. If you participate into the pre-sale and get the tokens, you can stake it to get the maximum rewards as well. So must check it out as well. So guys, I hope so you like this amazing and awesome product and do some own research as well onto this product. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.